Affiliate marketing advice that will make you more money. You don't have to have your own product to make money on the internet. With affiliate marketing, you can simply choose the products you are already familiar with and like and find out if their companies have affiliate programs. Alternately, you can look for affiliate marketing companies that provide products for affiliates to present. Either way, by carefully following the tips presented here, you can earn some nice money online with affiliate marketing. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. If having your money fast is important, it makes sense to choose an affiliate company that offers multiple payment options. Some affiliates will pay you by check, others use online options. When posting affiliate marketing links on your site, make sure the affiliate is appropriate. For instance, you do not want to place ads for a company selling adult toys on a website dedicated to daycare reviews. Inappropriate ads are a quick way to lose website traffic and your income. Remember, it can take a long time to become successful at affiliate marketing. You won't set the world on fire the first day, or week, or even month. You may need several months to get everything organized and really start making good connections and commissions. Keep trying. If you try, you could do well. If you quit, you definitely will not do well. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.